Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Is all the clutter in your kitchen starting to look like an old junkyard? Sick of spending hours cooking, only to serve mediocre meals lacking in flavor? Wish your family would spend less time whining and more time dining? Well, now they can with the new Bravo XL, the world's first digital smart oven with flavor infusion technology. It's a breakthrough in culinary creations. With just a touch, it can bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, even air fry delicious crispy foods with no oil and no extra calories. Discover how 1800 watts and precision control creates your very own pizzeria, and how Bravo begins cooking 4 times faster than your big oven. No more waiting to preheat. And witness Bravo's new secret weapon in action, so you'll never ruin another meal. Guaranteed.
Bravo. Bravo.
Bravo!
Compact in size, Bravo can roast a 10-pound chicken or 13-inch pizza with ease. And it replaces that big oven, a deep fryer, stovetop, microwave, and more. Just touch and go to instantly air fry mountains of crispy onion rings, French fries, and wings with no oil or extra calories. Faster than you can get delivery, cook frozen foods to fabulous, like crispy air-fried French fries in just 8 minutes, or juicy homemade air-fried chicken in only 20 minutes. Packed with 1800 watts, Bravo creates super cyclonic hot air to cook foods lightning fast. And our exclusive flavor infusion technology ensures even cooking, so meals are served golden and delicious every time. But don't stop there. Add Bravo's integrated temperature probe and roast prime meats and fresh poultry to perfection, guaranteed. And never get stuck cleaning a dirty stovetop. With Bravo, just remove the crumb tray and easily toss the mess away. Thermal test proved Bravo can heat up to 4 times faster than a regular oven. Amazing! Dehydrate fruits and nuts, reheat leftovers, bake crispy crust pizzas or family-sized casseroles without waiting to preheat the big oven. With Bravo, the possibilities are endless.
The Bravo XL Air Fry Smart Oven. And it's a brand new concept in kitchen appliances. It takes all the essential cooking methods, advances them, and then condenses them into this one compact kitchen device. And it gets rid of all those single-use appliances that take up all that wasted space. We need space for the food.
Think of all the money you're gonna save.
Speaking of saving money, Bravo has introduced this new integrated digital temperature probe. All you do is stick it into the center of the meat like this. All I have to do is hit probe, set it to 125. That's deliciously medium rare like we like to do at the restaurant. Touch and go.
Now that's precision cooking, so you have all the time to spend with your family, and the Bravo does all the work.
And when the meat is perfectly cooked at 125, Bravo knew to automatically shut off and go into warming mode, resting. And that resting is the key to perfectly juicy prime rib. You slice in, look at that. Bravo!
Wow, everyone will love this.
So now don't be afraid of roasting these whole chickens, these succulent pork loins, and even this expensive leg of lamb, because with the digital probe, you're guaranteed to cook it perfectly every time.
All lightning fast and full of flavor.
Speaking of lightning fast, in only 20 minutes, our chicken wings are air fried, golden, crispy outside, juicy inside. Look at this beautiful chicken.
Oh, that crunch and crisp, I can't resist. I'm gonna take a fry.
Please do. And we also air fried our onion rings. We have some beautiful coconut shrimp and my curried cauliflower bites. All in less time with no oil and no additional calories.
Introducing the new Bravo XL, the world's first compact smart oven with flavor infusion technology. Bravo is the high-tech cooking appliance with precision heat control, 3 convection fan speeds, 5 quartz heating elements, and 12 programmed presets, so you'll always find the perfect setting. Just touch and go to instantly bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, even air fry delicious crispy foods with no oil and no extra calories. With Bravo, the possibilities are endless.
Beautiful thing about Bravo is you can do precision cooking and adjust the top or bottom heat separately. I'll put the bottom at 100% and then the top down to 20%. This way the crust gets crispy and the top gets melted just right. Check this out, Cheryl, our margarita pizza. It is perfect. Look at that.
I love homemade pizza.
Look what the Bravo does. Totally crispy underneath and just melted on top thanks to that top-bottom setting.
Do I get to try?
Oh, you must try.
All right, give me a slice.
Look at that.
Oh, perfect.
That is good, right?
So good. Bravo turns your home into your own pizzeria. You make all types of pizzas, quesadillas, calzones. You want them to be crispy on the outside and smothered in cheese in the middle. Perfect.
So one of the best features of the NuWave Bravo XL oven is its digital temperature probe. That takes the guesswork completely out of cooking. So what we'll do is we will, very simply, plug the probe in, turn the unit on. It goes right to the default of 350. I'm going to push the probe button, and our default on probe is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it to 150. I'm going to take my steak. I'm going to insert the probe as close to the middle of the steak I can. Put the steak on my roasting tray. I'm going to slide this right inside, and the wire's okay to hang out. And then all you have to do is push start. And the great thing is, when you look at this, it tells you the current temperature of the product that you're cooking. So right now, my steak inside is at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to cook it to 140 degrees, it's about medium. And then when that happens, when the probe reaches the target temperature of 140, the unit will automatically shut off. So welcome back, everybody. We're just about finished with our beautiful steak that we cooked using the digital temperature probe. Just open this up, it's a little hot. We take this out, and I always wait to set the unit down before I take the probe out. So just make sure you're working with this safely. Hold on to the food that you're taking the probe out and use a towel. Even on the silicone handle, it might still be a little warm. And that's it. I just let it sit there and let it cool. And then there's our steak. So now we've got lunch. So the digital temperature probe is giving us the ability to cook our food to the exact temperature that we want without worrying if we forgot something, do we cook it long enough, are we not cooking it long enough? So thank you for purchasing the NuWave Bravo XL oven. Good luck with your recipes. Follow us online, follow us on social media, send some pictures, let's see what you cooked in the Bravo. Okay, now that we have our NuWave Bravo XL unpacked, I'm going to show you some of the basic functions of it. The Bravo, when you unpack it, comes with this tape here that prevents the door from opening during shipping. Just pull these off, and again, this is recyclable. So first thing we do is look here on the bottom. This is your crumb tray. You slide it out. You can empty the crumbs into the garbage. You can wipe it. You can wash it, let it dry, and then simply reinstall it. It works that easy. And you'll notice, obviously, the racks aren't in there. So just for now, I'm going to put the 2 racks in. I'm going to put one on the low level. These are adjustable, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 levels you can put your racks. And I'll put the other one somewhere here in the middle. The 2 tabs on the outside, and there's 2 tabs on the inside. And this is a very simple reason. When you have the rack in the center, you close the door, the 2 tabs on the door begin pulling out your rack. Simply using the roasting rack on either level to roast something. You can also remove one of the racks and give yourself a lot more space to roast something large. The air fryer basket, the same way. You can place it in right on the rack. So now if you notice here, on-off button, obviously we're going to turn the unit on. When you turn the unit on, it automatically, as a default, goes to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. But from there, it is 100% adjustable. You just hit time and temperature, and you can toggle back and forth between the time or the temperature, and then use the knob to adjust either the temperature or the time. And using the menu button, you can scroll through air fry, waffle, toast, bake, roast, all the different presets we worked on. The presets are fully adjustable. So if your preset on toast is 3 minutes for 310, and you want your toast to cook either a little faster or a little darker, you just simply add time and or add temperature. Okay, the next thing, self-explanatory, we have a light button on here which turns on a light inside the unit, which helps you see what you're cooking. So thank you for purchasing the NuWave Bravo XL oven. Good luck with your recipe.